This is the last video of myself that I'm making for tonight, and I'm gonna go back to posting regular videos. But like I always tell y'all, love is free, respect is free, honor is free, righteousness is fucking free. Protecting our children, making real changes so that they can live healthier, more meaningful, more respectful, loving, honorable fucking lives, that's free. The ways that I would give back to not just my community, but to my country, to all of my brothers and sisters of all shades of colors, that's free. The way that the things would get flipped like fucking, almost like fucking that, that's free. I'm still here. I'm still breathing. I've been paid in ways. And the biggest payment I could get is really to be able to protect my children and yours.